Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is the official list of all the devices that are compatible with the iOS 13, the latest version of the Apple operating system for iPads and iPhones. So the list is here. It starts with, if you have an iPad, iPad Air 2, iPad Air 3rd generation, iPad Mini 4, iPad Mini 5th, iPad 5th, and iPad 6th generation. 9.7-inch iPad Pro, 10.5-inch iPad Pro, 11-inch iPad Pro, and 12.9-inch iPad Pro. iPod Touch 7th generation, the last one that exists, is the only one that is actually compatible with iOS 13. If you have an iPhone, iPhone SE, and then iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, 10, XR, XS, and 10S Max are all going to be compatible. So, of course, that leaves behind everything that is below the iPhone 6 or later. So, really starts at 6S, which is the generation just after the 6. So, some people are still using the iPhone 6 original, and I know that a lot of you will probably not be happy the fact that it's not compatible, but it's a choice that Apple decided to make, and in there's of course part of it is due to the hardware, but part of it is due to marketing. So this is the full list of devices that are compatible with iOS 13. That was released yesterday, September 19th, 2019. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.